How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie is one of the most influential self-help books ever published. Its primary focus is on developing interpersonal skills, building relationships, and effectively influencing others. Here's a summary of its key principles. Part 1. Fundamental techniques in handling people. Pleadant: criticize, condemn, or complain. Criticism only makes people defensive and resentful. To influence others, avoid being negative. Give honest and sincere appreciation. People crave appreciation. Acknowledging their strengths and contributions builds rapport and goodwill. Arouse in the other person an eager want. Focus on what others want and show them how to achieve it. This makes them more likely to follow your suggestions. Part 2. 6 ways to make people like you become genuinely interested in other people. People are more receptive if you show real interest in them, which builds connection and trust. Smile. A simple smile can brighten someone's day and make interactions more pleasant. Remember that a person's name is, to them, the sweetest sound. Using someone's name makes them feel valued and remembered. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Let people share their stories. This not only builds connection, but also helps you understand them better. Talk in terms of the other person's interests. Engage with people on subjects that interest them to build rapport. Make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. Everyone likes to feel significant. Show that you appreciate and value them. Part 3. How to win people to your way of thinking. The only way to get the best of an argument is to avoid it. Arguments often lead to resentment. It's better to avoid direct confrontation. Show respect for the other person's opinions. Never say, "You're wrong." Disagreeing respectfully opens the door for productive discussions instead of hostility. If you are wrong, admit it quickly and emphatically. Admitting your mistakes disarms others and builds trust. Begin in a friendly way. Approaching conversations with kindness sets a positive tone for resolving disagreements. Get the other person saying yes immediately. Start with areas of agreement to create a positive momentum. Let the other person do a great deal of the talking. Allowing others to express their thoughts helps them feel heard and appreciated. Let the other person feel that the idea is theirs. People are more committed to ideas they believe they helped create. Try honestly to see things from the other person's point of view. Empathy builds stronger connections and understanding. Be sympathetic to the other person's ideas and desires. Validating someone's feelings shows you care, even if you disagree. Appeal to the nobler motives. Inspire others by appealing to their sense of honor, duty, or compassion. Dramatize your ideas. Present your thoughts in an engaging and compelling way to capture attention. Throw down a challenge. People love competition and challenge. It can motivate them to excel. Part 4. Be a leader. How to change people without giving offense or arousing resentment. Begin with praise and honest appreciation. Start any feedback with positive remarks to soften criticism. Call attention to people's mistakes indirectly. Subtle hints about improvements can be more effective than blunt criticism. Talk about your own mistakes before criticizing the other person. Admitting your own faults helps others accept feedback without feeling attacked. Ask questions instead of giving direct orders. Framing requests as questions encourages collaboration rather than obedience. Let the other person save face. Avoid embarrassing others or making them feel small, even when they are wrong. Praise the slightest improvement and praise every improvement. Recognizing progress boosts confidence and encourages continued effort. Give the other person a fine reputation to live up to. Complimenting someone's abilities can motivate them to maintain or exceed expectations. Use encouragement. Make the fault seem easy to correct. Encouragement makes people feel capable of improvement. Make the other person happy about doing the thing you suggest. Frame tasks in a way that aligns with the person's desires or interests. Key takeaway: Dale Carnegie's central message is that by being kind, empathetic, and understanding, you can foster stronger relationships and positively influence others. Treat people with respect, make them feel important, and they will be more likely to listen to you, collaborate, and respond positively. The power of influence comes not from domination, but from creating mutual respect and appreciation. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this summary helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and growing.